Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve code game on the application of FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve code game on the application of FIFA Mobile, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to FIFA Mobile. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to this window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about FIFA Mobile. When you'll find it, you can click update here to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.